Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Power BI. If you are taking this course, I want to believe you have an understanding of how spreadsheets work. You might or you might not have an understanding of how SQL works. After working for some time with these tools I mentioned earlier, you know that there's still something missing in the way you process your data and how it is consumed in your organization. These limitations are the reason why Power BI was developed. I'll be stating the limitation of these tools. Feel free to add your own in the comment section. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Here are the limitations of SQL and spreadsheet that leads to the development of intelligence tools like Power BI. The first one is SQL accessibility and modeling. SQL requires technical querying skills, making it inaccessible for most business users. And when it comes to spreadsheets solve this issue with a visual cell-based interface, allowing non-technical users to perform ad hoc calculations and flexible what-if scenario modeling, which is cumbersome in SQL. The second one is volume of data and the performance. So spreadsheets have significant performance issues and row limits, failing to handle the massive datasets that modern business generates. Power BI data engine is built to compress and analyze huge volume of data efficiently. So the third one is data integrity and single source of truth. Spreadsheets are prone to version error. What this means is that multiple copies of this spreadsheet can exist, and when they exist, they come with different data and sometimes broken formulas. So Power BI connects directly to data source and applies business logic in a centralized data model, ensuring everyone views the same accurate information. So the other one is integration of data. A major limitation of both SQL and Excel is data silos. It is difficult to combine large SQL database with 5 different spreadsheets and a web data feed. So what Power BI does is that it is very good at doing this, and this is what we call data integration or ETL. It allows us to easily pull from and model dozens of disparate data sources together. The other one is visualization and interactivity. SQL does not have any native visualization capability. So when you query SQL, you just get tables returned back to you. And when it comes to spreadsheet, the charting in spreadsheet is basic and very static or not too dynamic. So Power BI was designed to create dynamic interactive dashboard that allow users to drill down, cross-filter, and explore data in ways spreadsheet cannot do. And all these limitations that we have mentioned is what lead us to the Microsoft Power BI, a very powerful and data analytics visualization tool, which helps us to meet demanding tasks of data analytics and also accessible enough for day-to-day activities in our organizations to get more from our data. In this section, we'll introduce Microsoft Power BI, how to get Microsoft Power BI, and talk about the Power BI family of products, and also provide an overview of how Power BI works. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and turn your notification on to get new videos from this channel as it drops. See you in the next video. Thank you.